We've spent the last 3 years talking to our computers. We ask for a script, it gives us text. We ask for code, it gives us a snippet we have to manually copy, paste, and debug. We've been living in the assistant era, but last month, ByteDance, the team behind TikTok, quietly open-sourced something that just ended that era forever. This is DeerFlow 2.0. It's not a chatbot, it's what the industry is calling a SuperAgent Harness. While you're sleeping, this thing is spawning its own team of sub-agents, spinning up Docker containers and actually doing the work instead of just telling you how it could be done. Today we're going to look at the before versus after of AI research, and we're going to put DeerFlow to the ultimate test, replacing lithium with a new inorganic material using Microsoft's MatterGen. Let's look at the old way, what I call the linear process. If you wanted to research a new battery material, you'd prompt an AI. It would search the web, give you a 500-word summary, and then nothing. You had to take those facts, write your own Python simulations and verify the data yourself. The AI was a librarian, you were the engineer. Now, look at the DeerFlow process. DeerFlow uses a lead agent as a project manager. When you give it a complex goal, it doesn't just start typing, it uses task decomposition. It breaks your goal into subtasks and spawns parallel subagents. One subagent is a researcher, using the new InfoQuest integration. Another is a coder, writing scripts in a sandbox. A third is a designer, generating visuals. They all work at the same time, in the background, inside a secure Docker container. This isn't a conversation, it's a production line. The secret sauce here is the sandbox. Most AI assistants are amnesiac and homeless. They live in a browser tab and forget you the moment you close it. DeerFlow 2.0 gives the AI a home, an isolated computer with a full file system and a bash terminal. If the AI writes a Python script that crashes, it doesn't ask you for help. It sees the error in the terminal, rewrites the code and tries again until it works, and because it has stateful memory, it remembers your specific video style and technical preferences across every project. And here's the kicker, it's model agnostic. You can plug in GPT-5, Claude 4.6, or, what ByteDance recommends, DeepSeek v3.2 or their own Dubauseed 2.0. It takes the brain of the LLM and gives it the body of a full computer. Let's put this into practice. We've talked about MatterGen before, Microsoft's generative diffusion model for inorganic materials. Usually using MatterGen requires heavy technical setup. I gave DeerFlow one prompt, use MatterGen data to find 3 stable inorganic candidates to replace lithium and solid-state batteries. Run the stability simulations and write me a technical script. While I was getting coffee, DeerFlow's subagents were busy. One agent was querying the materials project database. Another was using MatterGen to generate novel crystal structures at the atomic level. A third was actually running the simulation in the sandbox to check the bulk modulus, how hard these materials are to compress. By the time I sat back down, I didn't have a chat history. I had a project folder with verified data and a 15-minute script ready to film. This is the death of the maybe in AI. This is verified execution. So, where does this leave the giants? Perplexity is still the king of fast facts. OpenAI's operator is great for browsing the web, but for building, DeerFlow is the new gold standard. It's open source, it's local first, and it treats you like a director, not a prompter. The periodic table isn't just a poster on a classroom wall anymore, it's a playground for generative AI, and if you're still just chatting with your tools, you're already behind. I've put the links to the DeerFlow GitHub and my custom MatterGen skill in the description below. What are you going to build with your first super agent? Let me know in the comments, and remember, stop chatting, start executing. I'll see you in the next one.